Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to jump server in Rise of Kingdom. In Rise of Kingdom, there's used to be a feature called the Beginner's Teleport design to let new players move their city to a different kingdom before reaching City Hall level 8. This allowed newcomers to start fresh in another kingdom if they wish, helping them find a more active server or join friends in a different region. However, this feature has been removed for several months now and the beginner's teleport is no longer available in the game. As a result, it is currently impossible to jump servers or transfer your progress to another kingdom. Players now need to carefully choose their starting kingdom because once your account is established, it's permanently tied to that kingdom, making early decision more important than ever. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.